Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys really parked here. So friends, now I will hand drive all of these toys with my hand. At first is a cartoony car here, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this cartoony car. This one is green, black and white color combination. And next one is a army helicopter, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this army helicopter. This one is grey, green and black color combination. Next one is a BMW car here, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this BMW. This one is black and blue color combination. And next one is a dump truck here, so I will try this one. I parked here this dump truck. This one is red, black and blue color combination. This one is a R17 high speed bike, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this R17. This one is yellow and black color combination. This one is an emergency vehicle ambulance here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this ambulance. This one is pink, white and paste color combination. That is the last one is a big size mixer truck here, so I will try this one also. Wow friends, I parked here this mixer truck. This one is red, white and black color combination. So friends, all of these toys hand drive and all are introduced with you. And now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.